What's up everybody, 2010 Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to get these bulbs out and replace them, as well as this bulb out. So your best bet is to get one of these guys, just a little small flathead. There's some notches on this side. There's one right here, one right here. And you could just gently sneak this in and pop this out. And then you could just kind of, wiggle this out. This has a LED one. I'm getting this out of here. It's glitching out. You just pull, yours would be a bulb probably, unless you have an LED. Just get that out, pull it out. If you have a bulb, be careful, don't break the glass in your fingers. Here's the new bulb. It's like 192 is the part number. And then take note of which way the prongs are, because you're going to put your bulb in the way that the prongs are. So this goes like this. Just like that. Just get it in, and you can test it by pressing this little button right here. Alright, that's working, and then just do the same for this side. Same procedure. Alright, and then we'll put our lid or our covers back on. These have these little like prongs, so just be careful not to break these. They can't take much abuse before they break. So we'll go ahead and put this in like that, and then just gently push it in. Alright. Now for this one over here, there's a little spot to get something in right here. So we'll gently pop this off. This one has an LED, but these LEDs keep popping the fuse. Oh, it hangs, cool. So I'm getting these out. Sometimes they do that. Go ahead and turn this off. And, okay, go ahead and pull this guy out. Okay. And, it looks like the guy at the AutoZone place gave me the wrong bulb. He gave me another one of those little peanut bulbs. So what you do is you just go get a a bulb that fits this, and then reinstall is just like the other ones. I'm just gonna, I guess, put this one back in here for now. Just push it in these little prongs, just like that. You just push it in. Be careful, and then you can test it out. All right. And then what you do is you just gently push this hook part back in. Let's get that lined up. And then just gently shut this. I'll have to get the correct bulb and do it again. Alright, well that's it. And I'm going to show you how to change the fuse. If you replace your bulbs and they just still don't work, or if you're just having problems with the fuse, I'll show you where it's at now. So we'll come under here. Here's your fuse box. You're going to undo this button on the right side and pull it off. And the fuse is right here in the left lower corner. It's this middle one, the 7.5 amp. It's called the dome fuse. On the bottom of the lid, you could locate it on the map. So I pulled it out, just used some needle nose. Got myself a new one. Go ahead and put it in. Make sure you use the exact same one. And yeah, after that's in, if it's blown, your lights will work.